So you're thinking about an electric outboard motor. The idea is tempting. No gas, no pull cord, no noise. But is it really worth the price? Electric is everywhere now. Cars, bikes, even toothbrushes. But boats? That's a different challenge. Boats need reliability and power, and you can't just run out of juice in the middle of a lake. Here's the basics. An electric outboard is a motor you clamp to your boat, powered by a battery instead of gas. There are two main types: trolling motors for slow, quiet movement, and full-power outboards meant to replace gas engines. Full-power models, like the Torpedo Cruise or E-Propulsion Navy, are designed for small to medium boats. You charge a big battery, connect it, and go. No warm-up, no pull cord, just instant power. The motor controller acts as the brain, telling the motor how fast to spin the propeller. It's a clean, direct transfer of energy. No fumes, no fuss, just turn it on and go. But as simple as it sounds, there are real-world complications. The question isn't just, do they work, but do they work for you? Let's dig deeper. If you want more honest boating insights and tips like this, don't forget to hit subscribe and join our community. It all starts with the battery, usually a high-tech lithium-ion pack, not your average car battery. The battery's size determines your range and speed. Power flows from the battery to a motor controller, which manages how much electricity the motor gets. Most electric outboards use efficient, brushless DC motors sealed in waterproof housings. When you twist the throttle, the controller sends power to the motor, spinning the propeller and moving your boat. When the battery's low, you have to plug in and wait. Charging takes hours, not minutes. Understanding this cycle is key to knowing if electric is right for you. Let's start with the upsides. Silence is the biggest one. No engine roar, just the sound of water. It's a game changer for fishing and enjoying nature. Electric outboards are clean, no exhaust, no oil leaks, and they open up access to lakes that ban gas engines. Maintenance is minimal. Keep it clean, check the prop, and you're set. But there are trade-offs. Range is limited by battery size. A 6-horsepower electric outboard might run 75 minutes at full throttle or a few hours at half speed. You'll always be watching the battery gauge, run out, and you're stuck until you recharge. Cost is another hurdle. Electric outboards and their batteries can cost 2 to 3 times more than gas engines. Charging takes hours, not minutes, so your boating day ends when the battery does. Faster chargers exist, but they're expensive. In short, electric is quiet and clean, but you pay for it in range, price, and patience. It's a different way to boat. Is it right for you? Let's look at the numbers. Let's talk money. A 5-horsepower gas outboard costs $1,500 to $2,000. The electric equivalent? Around $2,500 for the motor, plus $2,500 to $3,000 for the battery, over $5,000 total. That's a big upfront investment. But operating costs are much lower. Gas costs about $5 an hour, electricity just cents. Over a season, you might spend $250 on gas, but less than $20 on electricity. Maintenance is also cheaper. Gas engines need annual tune-ups, oil changes, and parts. Electric motors need almost nothing. Over 5 years, you could save hundreds on fuel and maintenance. So, while electric costs more upfront, it can pay off in the long run if you use it enough. The real question, does the math work for your boating style? Let's find out. Who should go electric? If you have a small boat, cruise on calm waters, or fish on electric-only lakes, electric outboards are a great fit. They're perfect for quiet, short trips and hassle-free boating. But if you need long-range, high-speed, or quick refueling, gas is still king. For big boats, long distances, or commercial use, electric just isn't practical yet. If you're curious, try a demo before you buy. Many dealers offer test drives or rentals. The bottom line, electric outboards are fantastic for the right boater, but not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you value silence, simplicity, and clean operation, and your needs fit the battery's range, electric could change the way you enjoy the water. Otherwise, stick with gas. It's all about choosing the right tool for your adventure. Have you tried an electric outboard, or are you thinking about making the switch? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.